Welcome to the coal city-state, Enugu, famous for its rich cultural heritage, hospitality, and historical role in Nigeria's economy. Enugu State is also home to some of the country's wealthiest men. How did they build their empires? And just how much are they worth in 2025? Join us on Ebony People TV as we count down the top richest men in Enugu State, uncovering their net worth, their business empires, and the secrets behind their success. Let's begin the countdown. We have Mr. Ugochukwu Ani, one of the rising stars of Enugu's business world. Ugochukwu Ani, founder of Ani Real Assets Limited, has made waves with his innovative smart housing estates and retail malls. From supermarkets to real estate ventures, Ani is valued at $40 million, proving that new age investments can stand side by side with traditional industries. At number 8, we have Barrister Nya Nwodo. This man is more than just a wealthy man. He's a respected leader, a former Minister of Information and past President General of Ohaneze Igbo. Nwodo has influenced both law and politics in Nigeria. With a reputable legal practice and investment in policy consulting, his net worth stands at $45 million, making him one of the most respected figures in Enugu State and beyond. Engineer Chris Ibe. Chris Ibe has built his empire in oil servicing and civil engineering. Through Chris Ben Engineering, he handles major oil contracts and infrastructure projects across Nigeria. With his diversification into logistics and heavy machinery leasing, Engineer Ibe's fortune sits at $50 million, marking him as one of Enugu's industrial giants. Moving on to the next spot is Fidelis Okoro, a name that has shaped Enugu politics for decades. Beyond politics, he is a savvy entrepreneur with interest in hospitality and real estate, boutique hotels, luxury estates, and a strategic role in national politics have pushed his fortune to $55 million. At number 5, Ayogo Eze combines politics with media influence. From his early days as a journalist to becoming a powerful senator, Eze has built wealth across media consulting, politics, and real estate. His estimated net worth is over $60 million. At number 4, we have Chief William Agbo, who is a powerhouse in agriculture and manufacturing. As the founder of Wilco Agro and Allied Industries, he produces edible oils and food products distributed across West Africa and Europe. With a strong CSR footprint in rural development, Chief Agbo's wealth is valued at $65 million, making him one of the industrial kings of Enugu. In third place is Dr. Chimaroke Nnamani, former governor of Enugu State and a trained medical doctor. After a successful medical career in the United States, he turned his focus to Nigerian politics and real estate. His Ebanov Medical Foundation is also a testament to his commitment to healthcare. Nnamani's combined empire of medicine, real estate, and politics gives him a net worth of $70 million.
Start by saying Happy Democracy Day to Nigerians and to our people at home, people in Enugu State, and of course the Ebanos. And convey my felicitation and respect to your chief, Nduka Obaibone. And more importantly, compare my sympathies and pray that Chief MKO Abiola's soul continues to rest in peace in the bosom of the Lord. Having said that, we hope that as we get to the closure of this administration, that the president will fulfill practically in terms of true, free and fair elections and proper transition to hopefully a PDP national government.
At number 2 is one of the most recognizable names in transportation across Nigeria, Samuel Maduka Onyeshi. From a humble beginning with just one bus, he built Peace Mass Transit into a nationwide transport and logistics empire. Onyeshi is also the founder of Maduka University, further expanding his impact in education. His estimated fortune is $55 million. And finally, at number 1, Senator Ike Ekweremadu, a former Deputy Senate President president and one of Nigeria's most influential politicians. Ekweremadu has built immense wealth through law, politics, and real estate investment, with prime properties in Abuja, Lagos, and Enugu. Alongside international consultancy deals, his fortune stands tall at $100 million.
The constitution to make laws on how to conduct elections in Nigeria. So it is that in pursuance of that powers that the Electoral Act is being considered and has been considered in the past and passed. So it is a responsibility of the National Assembly, to find ways of making sure that our electoral processes are well conducted through an act of parliament. And that's what gives rise to the issue of the Electoral Act.
From transport tycoons to political heavyweights, from real estate developers to manufacturing giants, these men represent the power, wealth, and influence shaping Enugu State in 2025. But their stories are not just about money. They are about ambition, resilience, and the pursuit of success in one of Nigeria's most vibrant states. So, which of these billionaires inspires you the most? And who do you think might join the list in the next few years? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories of wealth and success.